Ever wondered how a platform that seems to offer free financial advice and investment services actually makes money? Well, today, we're diving deep into the business model of StashAway. Let's unravel the mystery. StashAway is a digital investment platform that simplifies investing for individuals. They offer a range of investment portfolios tailored to different risk profiles. But how do they make money from this seemingly altruistic endeavor? The primary revenue stream, asset management fees. The primary way StashAway generates revenue is through asset management fees. This fee is a percentage of the total assets invested in a user's portfolio. While the exact fee structure can vary, it's typically a small percentage, often less than 1% annually. Breaking down the fee structure. Platform fee. This is a flat fee charged for using the platform services, including account management, rebalancing, and customer support. Management fee. This fee covers the costs of managing the investment portfolio, such as research, trading, and compliance. Secondary revenue streams. While asset management fees are the primary source of income, StashAway explores other avenues to supplement its revenue. Partnership revenue. StashAway often partners with other financial institutions and businesses. These partnerships can generate revenue through referral fees, co-branded products, or other strategic arrangements. Premium services. StashAway may offer premium services to high-net-worth individuals or institutional clients. These services could include personalized financial advice, concierge services, or access to exclusive investment opportunities. Data monetization. While not explicitly stated, StashAway may potentially monetize user data in an anonymized and aggregated form. This data could be valuable to financial institutions, market research firms, or other interested parties. The importance of transparency. StashAway, like any other financial service provider, has a fiduciary duty to act in the best interest of its clients. This means being transparent about fees and costs. By understanding how StashAway makes money, investors can make informed decisions about whether their investment goals align with the platform's business model. The future of digital investing. As the digital investment landscape continues to evolve, platforms like StashAway are poised to play a significant role. By offering accessible and affordable investment solutions, these platforms are democratizing finance and empowering individuals to take control of their financial future. So, the next time you're considering investing through StashAway or any other digital investment platform, remember that while the service may seem free, there are underlying costs. By understanding these costs and how the platform generates revenue, you can make informed decisions about your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.